Today's star of the shave is Supply SE Razor. Stay tuned for a golden shave. Hi, my name is Jason. You can find me on Instagram as the Golden Age Wet Shaver. I'm doing the Razor Company Shave and Chat, and today the star of the shave is the Supply SE Razor. I'm using a SC blade that you could get from Supply. It's an injector blade. Also, I'm using Areffa soap, Crazy Pumpkin. The Splash, MacDuff's Almond Biscotti. And the Balm, Italia from Captain's Choice. I'm using a Zenith Boar copper handle brush. Because you know what I say, once you go Boar, you want to use it more. And I found this cool egg thing on Amazon that had like a lot of bumps. I'm like, wow, doesn't this look like a lather ball? Oh. And of course, I got bougie sprayers. I told you I'm falling down this rabbit hole. Shababa. Ooh. You know, they both match. You know, the black matches with all the surrounding and the copper, you know. And the red, you know, little red on the splash bottle and the Balm. But yeah. Oh, man. You know, this shave is more, not only like one thing of the Supply razor, but it's like if you don't have a soap that matches your splash, you could, you know, get something similar. And I'm rambling on like a fool. Look at that beautiful lather though. Oh man, I love this soap base. I forgot which one it is, but I think I put a little extra water. That's why it's a little slippery. I'm usually more of a fuller base. Like, look at me all over the record. I'm just lathering on and blabbering on, and yeah, it's a shave and chat. It should be called shave and blabber. Oh man. Hadn't used this razor in a while. You know, us wet shavers, we love different types of razors. I mean, you know, you got some of these shavers that love, like, okay, I'm only this type of razor. I'm only that. No. I like to expand. Oh, man, huh? Hear that feedback. Oh, man. I went to BJ's today. Went to the perfect time because it wasn't that full. But there, I wish BJ's were like Costco, where you can have samples. They don't have samples. Like, what up BJ's? Be like Costco's in a food court. Oh, by the way, this is the first iteration they have released of Supply. It used to come with 3 plates, and this is the level 3 plate. But you can get the Supply one with those little teeth on it. I think it's like shave guards, whatever you call it. This shave is like dedicated to those who like to mix and match or find something similar in scent and profile style. But you know, I'm getting into like, you know, matching what I'm shaving with. Like, it's so cool. Oh, look at that beautiful lather. I'm not going to be cheap because I made a lot of lather. Like, enough for like 6 shaves. 6 passes, really. Maybe even more. Okay, let's go for my second pass. Hear that feedback? It's like music to my ears. So come on, I want to hear from you. How do you set up your shaver today, especially with software? Do you have to be like all the same soap, splash, and Balm from same company, same brand, same scent? Or do you like to like when I set up my shaves, I think of like I'm setting up a snack. You know, because I'm also a lather eater, but that's another story. So I set it up my soap like a pumpkin pie with a lot of spice in it, and a little biscotti and almonds on the side, and Italia. I think it's like a biscotti also. But I also think the splash has some coffee scent, because I pick up a strong coffee and a chocolate scent. Oh man, I love doing this. I got a problem with my left earpiece. It doesn't stay in. Third pass, baby. Woo! God, I love this. This reminds me of my mom's pumpkin pie. Like, she makes it for me. She knows I don't like it too sweet. I like it with a lot of spice. I want to taste the pumpkin and the spice. I don't need that sugar filler. Yeah. Thank you, Mom. You should all thank all the ones who make the pumpkin pies. It's usually, I know, I don't want to sound like controversial, but yeah, whoever makes the pumpkin pies, thank you. Oh, God bless y'all. Ooh. I look like Santa Claus. Hoo hoo hoo. Lather Claus. Oh, another one. Lather Claus is cool. Oh man, I'm so happy. As you can tell, I'm getting my energy. I'm getting my boost. Like, a cologne type of taste. Yeah, it's snacked on a little slather. Yeah. Hey, maybe I should change my name to Lather Snacker. Who knows? Oh man, this is a... I just love using so many different types of razors. I fell in love with this hobby, but more importantly, the people in this hobby have been so supportive. Thank you, community that I call my family. Consistently consistent, but not narrow and rigid. Whoosh! Hababa! Oh, man. I'm a messy shaver. Do they have shave bibs? Or are they just called bibs that shavers use? I want to know what you think. I'm very eager to read what you say. Maybe I need to practice on replying better, but yeah. I want to know. How do you set up your shave of the day? What do you use? Are you a soap and splash matcher, or do you go what's similar? I want to know everything. Everything. God, this is so beautiful. Let me rinse off so we can talk a little more. Ugh. Oh man. This is definitely taking me back to my mom's pumpkin pie. Oh, which I had and which I am having this week. Oh, it's so good. Oh. My thing fell, my earpiece. And yeah, it's my right earpiece. It's not my left, but you know. I get a little confused sometimes with left and right. Is that okay? Yeah. Ooh. I love these talks we have. Mostly it's a monologue, but yeah, I understand. I'm gonna make sure I'm really clean so I can put on that nice splash. Yeah, I feel clean. I could put on some splash. Ooh. Yeah, being generous. Some of the Balm. Okay, let me go over the lineup again. I used Areffa Crazy Pumpkin soap, MacDuff's Almond Biscotti Splash, Captain's Choice Italia Balm, a beautiful Zenith Boar copper handle brush, and a egg beater as a lather bowl. And of course, the star of the shave is Supply SC. It's a copper tone. Wow. Thank you for staying till the end of this video. Oh, my bougie sprayers. Again, thank you for staying at the end of this video. If you have time on the weekend, Saturday, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, go to IG, The Razor Company, or The Razor Company Live on Instagram. For all your wet shaving needs and purposes, go to therazorcompany.com. Thank you for watching and have a great day.